name is Aniel de Beer and I recently passed the SQE on my first attempt. I completed my BProc and LLB degrees at the Universities of Pretoria and Stellenbosch respectively, and I qualified as an attorney in South Africa. After that, I did an MBA degree and also a master's degree and doctorate in international law. So at the moment, I'm working as an internal legal advisor at a telecommunications company, and I'm also an extraordinary professor at the University of Pretoria in international law. There were two reasons for me taking the SQE. The first is that South African law is partly based on UK law, so I wanted to have a more comprehensive knowledge of UK law. And the second reason is because the SQE enables me to practice as a solicitor in the UK if I ever decide to emigrate. There are a lot of schools offering preparatory courses for the SQE, but what stood out with QLTS is that after I logged a query online that same day, which was actually a Friday, that night, a business development manager from the school called me with all of the info, answering all my questions, and I immediately decided it was the school for me. And also they sent the study material, it arrived promptly within a day or two. And the material is very comprehensive, so all in all, I'm very happy with my choice. I actually found more than one aspect very beneficial. The first is the fact that they offered the study material in different formats. So not only a written format, but also videos and PowerPoint presentations. And then the second very useful aspect was all of the mock tests that you get with the preparatory material. I work full-time, which means that I had to study after work. I would say I allocated about 2 to 3 hours during the week after work, and then probably every weekend, the whole weekend. If I didn't make that time, I would make it up somewhere else. And I started about 6 months before the exam. I felt very well prepared. I felt very relaxed and I didn't think there was anything else I could have done before the exam. And this is also partly because the mock tests really prepare you for the format that the questions take. So you're not surprised by the format because you also have limited time to complete it. Yes, I would highly recommend a preparation course. And the reason for that is because it is a lot of study material and you do need the course to break it down for you. You are writing 2 6-hour exams and it's covering a lot of subjects. And it is also extremely helpful to complete a lot of mock tests before you write the exam so you can get used to the format of the questions. My advice would be not to underestimate the exam. Start about 6 months before, especially if you work full-time. And take about 2 weeks off before the actual exam so you can just relax and go through the mock tests at your own pace. And also I would say take care of your health. You have videos and audio to listen to, so try and do that while walking. It also helps with the preparation work. I think the most important quality to have today as a solicitor is an ability to deal with complexity. So law is not a copy and paste exercise. You don't learn it once and then apply it to every scenario. And that's why QLTS was so helpful with their material as well as the exam itself, because it really teaches you to apply the law to different scenarios and not just give the pat solution, but give innovative solutions.